It's extraordinarily compassionate, and we know it's effective because over 2,000 people have come in and not gone back to the streets. And I would think the advocates would want to applaud and support something that is ending street homelessness, something that's never been done in this city before. And we put a huge amount of resources into it, and it's clearly working. And this new opportunity, because of the collaboration with the MTA, I think is going to open the door wider for getting even more people off the streets. On the question of the NYPD, I've been in touch with both Borough President Eric Adams and Public Advocate Jumaane Williams. We've had very constructive conversations. I understand the concern 100%. I want to see fair and equal policing everywhere. That's what we've been devoted to now for over 6 years. Changing the nature of policing in New York City to make it focused on neighborhood policing and being respectful and responsive to every community and more deeply connected to every community. And I think it is working. I think the challenge we all have with this pandemic is we're learning new ways and new approaches. We'll have a lot more to say on how we're going to refine our approach, particularly with the warmer months. But the message to NYPD is be consistent across all communities. Communicate with people, as always, under neighborhood policing. Help people to understand this is about their own health and safety and their family. And the vast majority of people, Marcia, are accepting these rules and following these rules. It's actually been quite rare that the NYPD or any other agency encounters much resistance. The vast majority of New Yorkers get it, and they're living this way. Sometimes they need to be reminded. Sometimes they need to be offered a face covering, but they accept and they act accordingly. We definitely want to get the data out. So we will make sure the NYPD gets the data out. It's going to show you where there's been, for example, summonses, but remember, there hasn't been a need to do a lot of summonses in the last 2 months for social distancing. That's a good thing. But definitely that transparency will be provided.
Matt from Newsday is up next. Matt?